Number series. Question. Find x in the series 16, 36, 64, 81, x. Option A 121, option B 100, option C 144, option D 169. Guess the answer. Solution. 4 into 4 16. This is the first composite number. 4 is the first composite number. 4 into 4 16. Next composite number 6 into 6 6 square 36. Next composite number 8 into 8 64. Next composite number 9 into 9 81. Then next composite number is 10. 10 into 10 100. X value is 100. 100 is the correct answer.